Unraveling the mystery of the Taos Hum, nature or man-made? In a quiet desert town, whispers of a strange low-frequency hum echo through the streets. Only some residents hear it, creating confusion and intrigue among the community. Scientists and engineers tirelessly investigate, searching for the elusive source of the sound. Is this hum a natural phenomenon, or could it be a byproduct of human activity? The Taos Hum remains one of the world's enduring auditory mysteries, challenging our perception. Subscribe for more intriguing mysteries that defy explanation.